Hello friends. As I asked before, I have posted a poll by asking from you that whether I should do uh, an a survival series using C++ or Blueprints 4. In that post, for the C++, we got more votes. So therefore, I'm going to do a survival series using C++. So uh, if you are if you're going to look some of survival video games, so the Lost Rift, Far Cry Primal, and Wilhelm, those are most popular survival game series. So I'm going to do some tutorial series from the beginner level. So any one of you can start learning from this video series, and then you can learn how to build a survival game from the beginning. So uh, let's go through the presentation for now. So as I explained before, I'm going to do a tutorial series on third person survival game using C++. This series will include the following content. First, I'm going to show you how to initialize the project by installing Unreal Engine with Epic Games, and then how to set up Visual Studio for C++ games, and then I'm going to show you how to create the character setup with input. So we are going to use enhanced input with C++, and then I'm going to show you how we can search the needed animations from there, and then how we can download and retarget them with our character. Next, let's create the interaction system with the player. So we have to interact with uh, existing external actors in the world as a player. So it's a basic need to get some interactions with other external actors. So and then let's create item pickup setup. So as a survival tutorial series, we have to pick up some items. For example, we have to pick up some wood sticks as food, and we have to pick up some stones to make fire, and we have to pick up some fruits from trees to eat. Otherwise we will starve. So uh, let's create this item pickup system there, and then let's create inventory system to store, manage, and interact with other items, and also let's create UI displays for the items. And then I'm going to show you how to create a crafting system. As per survival game series, we have to craft items. For example, we have basic raw materials like iron, stone, some wood, and fruit. By using them, we can craft items like pickaxe, sword, axe, or a knife to do some basic survival things. And then we have to create equipments and hotbar to let player quickly access and use important items. And then I'm going to show you how to implement important tools with their own mechanics. For example, we have different mechanics for axe, and when it comes to a pickaxe, it's totally different of using it. Likewise, let's create the mechanics one by one in that video, and then I'm going to show you how to respawn the resources in here. uh, in a game, if we collect all the resources in the world, there are no resources to be survived to the player, so there should be a system to respawn resources. For example, if we eat all the fruits in an island, uh, we cannot survive further. Therefore, we should have a respawning system to have more foods. And then let's create player stats. uh, for example, player have hunger, health and thirst. So there should be a mechanism to maintain hunger, health and thirst, as described here. And then I'm going to show you how to do a campfire, and how to cook, and how to get water. So let's create a campfire to have some safety at night. There are some predators and some unknown actors there, so be the player should sleep safety. Therefore, there should be a campfire, and then to be survived, the player should cook foods there. And also the player should have water to drink. Therefore, in this video I'm going to show you the mentioned items. And here, let's create a simple building system. I think all of you have seen some building systems, like if we need to build a house, we have to build it from part to part. So here I'm going to show you how to collect wood sticks and craft wood parts here, and then by placing wood parts one by one to make or build a house or walls. And then there should be a mechanism for enemies. There should always enemies available in an survival game series. For example, there are some wolves and tigers, so there should be a lot of predators. And maybe there are some aliens or similar things there. Therefore, we have to create a mechanism of controlling them to free roam, and then chasing you, and then the attacking mechanism. So in this video I'm planning to do this enemy AI, and then I'm going to show you how to create the load and save system in there. Because if we are progressing in a game, we cannot play the game from the beginning to end, because it will take a lot of time. Therefore, we have to save our progress, and whenever we come back to the game, there should be our progress to continue. So let's create this load and save system here. And then I'm going to show you how to create missions and quest systems there, because it helps structured objectives to guide the player's progress. It helps to maintain story like things in a game. Otherwise, there are no progress in the game. Then I'm moving to the menu and settings. In every game, there will be a menu to show the player to select if he if he need to play the game. There should be a play button, and then there should be a quit button and settings button. So in widgets we should create them all together. So here in this video I'm going to show you how to create them, and then how to packaging the project. So packaging the project to Windows platform. So that's all for the series, and let's start with the project setup. First, you need Epic Games Launcher. So in order to download that, let's Google it as Epic Games Launcher download. In this first link, you can go to the Epic Games official website, and you can use either this button or this button to download Epic Games Launcher. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to show you the visual here. I have installed many engines here. If you don't have any engine, you can click this plus button, and then it will add a button something like this, so you can select the Unreal Engine version here from the drop down, and then you can click the install. I have already installed this Unreal Engine versions, and so we can launch Unreal Engine here. So, and also we need Visual Studio as well, because we are going to do this tutorial series using C++. So let's download Visual Studio as well. Here from Visual Studio official website, you can download this community version as it's a free version. Otherwise you have to pay for professional enterprise versions. If you click here, yeah, it will download. So I have already downloaded this Visual Studio. Let's open the Visual Studio installer. So I have installed this Visual Studio Community 2022. If I click the modify here, so in order to do Unreal Engine game development with C++, you should take this .NET desktop development and desktop development with C++ version, and with UI application development, and also we need to take this game development with C++ here, and then you can install it here. I have already installed this, therefore I'm not going to install it again. So that's how we download it, and after downloading Unreal Engine version and Visual Studio, we can launch Unreal Engine here. It selected Unreal Engine 5.7 as default here, and let's wait until the project opens. I'll show you how to create it here. Let's start with this third person template, and I'll select C++ option here, and I'll assign a project location, and I'll name the project as survival tutorial, and let's create the project. So friends, it has been some time to compile the code and open the project for the first time. So the project looks like this, use with the third person template. If we play it, it has a default character and default movement. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to create this character from the beginning in C++ side, and also how to make this character move with enhanced input system like this. So friends, I think I'm going to stop this video from here. In the next video, let's continue with the character and the input setup. If you have any questions and any problems regarding this step, please add in comment section, and also if you find this as valuable tutorial series, please like and subscribe this channel. Okay guys, time to wrap up. Then thank you all.